Here is my idea was to start with turquoise and then do some red accents, and I really had no idea. I'm thinking, am I gonna do them like a solid, something solid? Am I gonna try and brush it into like a driftwood type finish? Am I gonna do, how am I gonna make these carvings kind of stand out? There's just, so I just thought that I would share that with you. Quick hardware sanity check right now. When I'm stuck, I will put the hardware on just to make sure that the color direction I've chosen matches, or I guess works with whatever tone is in the hardware. And I am going to polish this hardware so it will be a bit more gold and shiny, but I'm definitely feeling like now with the gold and the red, it's either going to look like a little too superhero, or it's just, right now it looks like an alien from a movie or something. I don't know, that's what I thought when I kind of saw this thing. I'm like, no, this is not good. Here it is. So far, it's just gonna take some more experimentation and patience, but I'm gonna focus on enjoying the process, and I know that I will eventually get it to the finish line.